So question number 12. So question number 12 says a committee of 6 members has to be selected from among the members of 2 groups, each having 3 boys and 2 girls. This is group 1, this is group 2. So each group has 3 boys and 2 girls. Right? Okay. So the committee should have 6 people. Right? Then they say such that the number of girls in the committee is most 2. So girls will be less than or equal to 2. Right? That means 0, 1, 2. Right. Okay. Then what? Find the number of different such committees that can be formed. First is even number of members of such groups are to be selected by a committee. So in a committee we can take only even number of people. That means, so what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6 and all. So now, what do you call? So now let's consider group 1. Right? So now what are the even numbers? Those will be 2, 4, 6, no? 2, 4, 6. Now, so now 6 can't be, so now from a group you can't take 6 people, no, because there are only 5 people in a group. So this is out. Right? Okay. So now let's see. So now first of all I am considering 2 members from group 1. That means there will be 4 members from group 2. Correct, no? Right. So now in a group, so now they are asking what are the different combinations. So if I consider group 1, so first of all I'll consider taking 2 girls of group 1. Then I need to take 4 boys here. But are there 4 boys in a group? No. That means this is not valid. Right? So we don't even need to consider this. So now, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 girl from here, right? Then 1 boy from here. So then the remaining one. So now I'm considering taking 2 girls. So in this first situation I'm taking 2 girls. So there's 1 girl from here. Then there's another girl from here. Then there is 3 boys. Right? Then another way is I can take 2 boys from here, 2 girls from here, and 2 boys from here. So that is the only way that we can take 2 girls. So then there's another way as I can take 1 girl. So if I take only 1 girl, right? That is what? So I can take 2 boys from here, 1 girl from here, 3 boys from here. Right? So these are the only ways. So if I actually take 1 girl from here, 1 boy from here, then what? Then I'll have to take 4 boys from here. But there are only 3 boys. So this is also not valid, no? Right? So only these 3 combinations are there. Correct? Right. So then this is one thing. So we can repeat this to the same thing, taking four members from group 1 and 2 members from group 2. Correct? So now here then I can actually repeat this. So here I take 4 members, here I take 2 members, right? So then I can actually repeat the same thing, right? So write this down. Right, so let me write this properly now. So now one girl, one boy, one girl, 3 boys, then 2 boys, 2 girls, 2 boys, then 2 boys, 1 girl, 3. So this is the 2-member thing. If I take 4 members here and 2 members here, I can do the exact same thing here. 1 girl, 3 boys, 1 girl, 1 boy, 2 girls, 2 boys, 2 boys, 1 girl, 3 boys, 2 girls. Right? So we know all these combinations now. So now we need to get what the combinations are. Right? So here, so from group 1, you select 1 girl. So now we know that we are taking from group 1, na? So from group 1 we are selecting 1 girl. So that is 2C1. Correct? No? Then we are taking 1 boy from group 1, that means 3C1. Then we are taking 1 girl from the group 2, that is 2C1. Then we are taking 3 boys from the 3 boys in group B, group 2, that is 3C3. Right? So here we will get, right? So when there is 1 here, right? So now we can actually get this as 1. This is 2C1 is 2, 3, 2, 1. Right? So this is going to be 3, 2, this is going to be 12. Right? Then here you have to take 2 boys. So from 3 boys we have to take 2. Then from group 2 we have to take 2 girls. So there are 2 girls. So we have to select 2. So from the 2 we have to select both. Then we have to take 2 boys from the 3 boys. 3C2. So here we will get 2 boys. That means out of the 3 we have to select 2. Then we have to say one of the girls. That means 2C1. Then we have to select 3 boys. That means 3C3. Right? So here the addition of this will be 27. Right? So the same thing is here. The same exact combinations are here because the groups are identical. So here also you will get 27. Right? So basically the total number of combinations will be, so then the total number of combinations will be 27 into 2, and this is 54. Right, so that is the first requirement. Then they are saying only one girl is to be selected to the committee. Right, so now they are saying only one girl is to be selected to the committee, and this does not say anything about groups. So we can forget about groups, and then we can just concentrate on the boys and the girls, right? So here, what we need to see is the number of girls. So first of all, number of boys, that is 3 plus 3 is 6. Number of girls is 2 plus 2 is 4. Right, so for this committee, so number of committees which has one girl, and then what? The rest are 5 now, and 5 boys. So that is going to be, we have to select out of the 4 girls, we have to select one person, and then out of the 6 boys, we have to select 5. Right? So here we will get what? This basically 4 is 6, so that we will get 24.